Hi, my name's Alfredo from the Upfirst team. If you use Acuity for scheduling and you're looking for an AI receptionist that can integrate with Acuity so that it can book appointments for you, then you're in the right place. In this video, the first thing I'm going to do is call my AI receptionist and book an appointment so that you can see that appear in Acuity and you hear what it sounds like. And then afterward, I'm going to show you the setup process from end to end. So first things first, I'm going to call my AI receptionist and book an appointment.
Thank you for calling up first. How may I help you?
Hey there, I was looking for a sales consultation. Can I book a call with somebody?
Sure, I'd be happy to help you schedule a sales consultation. Do you have a specific day or time in mind, or would you like the earliest available slot?
The earliest next week would be ideal.
The earliest available times next week are Monday, June 15th at 9 in the morning, 9:30 in the morning, or 10 in the morning. Do any of those work for you?
Yeah, actually 9:30 would be great.
Great. I'll reserve Monday, June 15th at 9:30 in the morning for your sales consultation. May I have your first and last name to complete the booking?
Yes, it's Alfredo Salkeld. That's spelled Alfredo. Last name is Salkeld as in dog.
Sure. Thanks, Alfredo. Could you also provide your email address so I can finalize the appointment details?
It's just Alfredo at upfirst.ai.
The appointment is set for Monday, June 15th at 9:30 in the morning. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you. Have a great day. There you go. Now I'm just going to give it a moment and I will refresh Acuity. And there you go. You see the appointment appears directly on the Acuity calendar. So if you have any workflows within Acuity that send reminders, for example, then those will of course get triggered. So how to set this up? First things first, go to your Upfirst account. We offer a 14-day free trial if you don't have one. Click on Integrations and click on Enable next to Acuity. You can see I've already done that. So next I'll hit Configure Appointments, and you're going to have to add an appointment type. You'll see I've already added one here. I've named it Sales Consultation. You're going to need to pick your Acuity calendar from this dropdown. Then select the appointment type. So if you have multiple appointment types within Acuity, you'll see multiple appointment types appear in this dropdown. And then you can set minimum notice for the minimum notice you want before someone can book this appointment. If you have any global settings in Acuity, they're going to override whatever you set in Upfirst. Same thing with availability. Again, your Upfirst AI receptionist is going to make sure that you don't get double booked, so it's going to see your bookings in Acuity, but you can also set overall availability in here. The important thing to add is additional instructions here. Give your receptionist some context about what this appointment type is and when to offer it to people. This is a good place to put in some qualification criteria. So for example, here I have offer this if the person wants a sales consultation, but maybe I could say offer this if the person wants a sales consultation and confirms they receive more than 1,000 calls per month as an example. And that way you can prevent unqualified leads from getting booked onto your calendar. If there is information that you want to make sure you collect from callers as part of the booking process, then click on training and make sure that within your training you tell the receptionist what information you want to collect, right? So I've got name, phone number, and email, but if there's any other questions you want the receptionist to ask, you would just enter those instructions here and hit Save Changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need help setting this up, don't hesitate to hit the chat bubble at the bottom right corner of the screen and get connected with our team.